Astronomy. The word itself evokes a sense of wonder, a yearning to understand the vast and mysterious universe that surrounds us. Welcome to Edisla. Every journey begins with a single step, and our exploration of the cosmos is no different. The first step in your astronomy journey is to build a solid foundation of knowledge. Don't worry, we're not talking about complex equations and astrophysics just yet. We're talking about igniting that spark of curiosity and understanding the basic principles that govern our universe. A fantastic starting point is to immerse yourself in the captivating world of astronomy literature. Books like Carl Sagan's Cosmos will transport you to the farthest reaches of the universe, while Astronomy for Dummies by Steve Olson provides a beginner-friendly introduction to the subject. But astronomy isn't just about reading, it's about experiencing the wonders of the universe firsthand. And what better way to do that than through the captivating medium of documentaries? Series like this from Edisla offer breathtaking visuals and expert insights that bring celestial phenomena to life. Imagine witnessing the birth of a star, the collision of galaxies, or the awe-inspiring power of a black hole, all from the comfort of your own home. As you delve into books and documentaries, let your curiosity guide you. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek out answers, and explore different areas of astronomy that pique your interest. The cosmos is waiting to be discovered, and your journey starts now. With a foundation of knowledge firmly in place, it's time to venture out under the night's canvas and experience the cosmos firsthand. Stargazing, the practice of observing the celestial tapestry above us, is an awe-inspiring experience that connects us to the universe in a profoundly personal way. But before you step outside, it's helpful to equip yourself with tools that will enhance your stargazing experience. Star maps, whether physical or digital, are essential guides to navigating the night sky. In today's digital age, we have access to incredible mobile apps like Stellarium and Sky Safari that turn your smartphone into a powerful stargazing tool. Armed with your star map or app, find a location away from city lights where the night sky unfolds in all its glory. As you gaze up at the thousands of stars twinkling above, take a moment to appreciate the vastness of the universe and the countless wonders it holds. Start by familiarizing yourself with the constellations. These patterns of stars have been recognized and named by cultures throughout history, each with their own unique mythology and stories. As you become more comfortable identifying constellations, challenge yourself to locate planets. Remember, stargazing is a skill that develops over time. The more you observe the night sky, the more familiar you'll become with its patterns and rhythms, and the more rewarding your stargazing experiences will be. Embarking on a journey of astronomical discovery can be a deeply personal experience, but it's often more enriching when shared with others who share your passion for the cosmos. Joining a local astronomy club like Edisla Elite is a fantastic way to connect with like-minded individuals and participate in exciting events. These clubs often host regular meetings, lectures, and workshops covering a wide range of astronomical topics. One of the most significant benefits is the opportunity to attend star parties. These gatherings bring together amateur and experienced astronomers alike. In today's digital age, connecting with fellow enthusiasts is easier than ever, even if you can't find a local club. Online forums and communities such as Cloudy Nights or Reddit's r/Astronomy offer platforms to discuss topics and share observations. Remember, astronomy is a journey of discovery best shared with others. As your passion for astronomy grows, you'll likely find yourself yearning for a closer look at the celestial tapestry above. This is where investing in basic astronomy equipment can significantly enhance your stargazing experience, revealing breathtaking details and deepening your connection with the cosmos. Before diving into the world of telescopes, a fantastic starting point is a good pair of binoculars. Binoculars offer a portable and affordable way to magnify the night sky, revealing details you wouldn't be able to see with the naked eye. When you're ready to take the next step in your astronomy journey, consider investing in a beginner-friendly telescope like Astra 114. Telescopes come in various designs and price ranges, but for those just starting, a refractor or reflector telescope with a sturdy mount is an excellent choice. A telescope allows you to peer deeper into space, observing distant galaxies, nebulae, and planetary details with remarkable clarity. Choosing the right telescope can seem daunting, But resources like online reviews, astronomy forums, and local astronomy clubs can guide you toward a telescope that aligns with your budget and observing goals. Remember, investing in astronomy equipment is an investment in your passion. It's about acquiring tools that allow you to explore the universe more deeply, unravel its mysteries, and cultivate a lifelong appreciation for the wonders of the cosmos. As you continue your astronomy journey, your innate curiosity will likely lead you to seek a deeper understanding of the celestial ballet unfolding above. This is where delving into the fundamental principles of astronomy can significantly enrich your appreciation for the cosmos, transforming you from a passive observer into an informed explorer. Celestial mechanics, the study of the motions of celestial objects, is a fundamental pillar of astronomy. Understanding concepts like gravity, orbits, and the interplay of forces that govern the movements of planets, stars, and galaxies provides a framework for comprehending the celestial dance we observe. But astronomy isn't just about celestial motions. It's also about understanding the nature of the celestial objects themselves. This is where astrophysics comes into play, exploring the physical and chemical processes that occur within stars, galaxies, and the universe as a whole. Imagine pondering the life cycle of a star, from its birth in a cloud of gas and dust to its eventual demise, perhaps as a white dwarf, neutron star, or even a black hole. Astrophysics can be a challenging but ultimately rewarding field of study. Online courses, textbooks, and popular science books offer accessible entry points for those eager to explore these complex topics. Embrace the challenge, engage your curiosity, and allow yourself to be captivated by the intricacies of the universe. In today's digital age, resources for expanding your astronomical knowledge are more abundant than ever. Online platforms offer a wealth of information, engaging content, and vibrant communities for astronomy enthusiasts. YouTube is a great entry point into online astronomy education. Channels like Edisla, PBS Spacetime explore astrophysics and cosmology, while Universe Today covers space news and concepts. Blogs and websites like Space.com and Astronomy Magazine provide articles and news updates. NASA's website offers information on space missions and astrophotography. Forums and discussion boards connect enthusiasts to share observations and ask questions. Communities like Cloudy Nights and Reddit's Our Astronomy connect you with fellow enthusiasts globally. These communities are invaluable for both beginners and experienced astronomers. As you delve deeper into the world of astronomy, you'll accumulate a wealth of experiences, observations, and insights. Keeping a log or journal dedicated to your astronomy journey is a rewarding practice that allows you to document your progress, reflect on your experiences, and create a lasting record of your cosmic explorations. Your astronomy journal can be as simple or elaborate as you like. Some people prefer to keep a handwritten journal, sketching their observations and jotting down their thoughts and reflections. Others prefer digital logs, using spreadsheets or note-taking apps to record their observations and track their progress. When documenting your observations, include as much detail as possible. Note the date, time, and location of your observation, as well as the weather conditions and any equipment you used. Beyond simply documenting your observations, use your astronomy journal as a space for reflection. Jot down your thoughts and feelings as you gaze up at the night sky. Your astronomy journal is a personal record of your cosmic journey, bringing you joy and helping you cultivate a deeper connection with the universe. Embarking on a journey into the world of astronomy is a decision to embrace a lifelong passion for exploration and wonder. The universe offers an inexhaustible source of inspiration for those who dare to look up and ask questions. It's not a race, but a continuous voyage of exploration. There's always something new to discover and marvel at. Astronomy's ever-evolving nature is captivating. New discoveries push the boundaries of our understanding. Stay up to date with the latest advancements through online resources like Edisla and other publications. Embrace groundbreaking discoveries from gravitational waves to habitable exoplanets. Persistence is key in overcoming challenges. Embrace the learning process and never lose your sense of wonder. As we've journeyed through the cosmos together, exploring the fundamental steps to embracing astronomy as a passion, remember this: the universe is an open book, and you hold the key to unlocking its secrets. By combining knowledge, observation, and a sense of wonder, you'll embark on a lifelong adventure of cosmic exploration. Each night the sky transforms into a canvas of twinkling stars, distant galaxies, and celestial wonders waiting to be discovered. So step outside, look up, and let your curiosity guide you. The universe, with its infinite mysteries and breathtaking beauty, awaits your exploration. Enjoy the journey. Consider subscribing to Edisla for more cosmic insights and updates.